So basically, rabies is a viral disease in dogs and cats, and it is a zoonotic disease. And zoonotic diseases are those diseases that are transmissible from animals to humans and humans to animals. Please do your dogs and cats vaccinate for rabies viral infection. Protect your dogs and cats and protect yourself.